Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's get information. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's
Hey guys, it's your girl Kay. I'm coming to you with a video on some hair. This unit is a synthetic unit that I got off of Amazon. It was eligible for Prime, so I did get it in 2 days, and the packaging was really nothing spectacular. It's literally just a unit and a wig cap that comes in like a little Ziploc bag. I love packaging, but if the packaging isn't all that, but the hair is great, whether it's synthetic, human, virgin, whatever, then that's the main thing that matters. But I do love some good packaging. This was just the basic. Before we get into it, I just want to say, if you're new to the channel, thank you for joining. And thank you for watching, and I would love if you would subscribe. I get so shy on this camera, I just get nervous. I would love if you guys would subscribe, and if you're a returning subby, welcome, thank you. You could be doing a million things in your hair with me. As cliche as it sounds, it's true. You could be cleaning up, you could be going to work, you could be working out, you could be doing a lot of things, but you are here watching this video with me, and I just appreciate that so much, and I just want to thank you. So let's get into the video. So here we go again. This is a short unit, and the reason why I wanted to try it was I was just looking at some wigs on Amazon, and I was like, this is cute, and it's a short unit. I wanted to try it out. So let me just go ahead and show you what the inside of the wig looks like. We have just the basic construction here. As you can see, you have your area for the wefting. All right, you have your adjustable straps in the back. All right, you have a comb in the back. You don't have any combs on the side. And then you have a comb in the front. I do not use combs, so I use bobby pins. I don't like to do anything around my hairline. Number one, I really never liked that, but number two, I had postpartum shedding really bad with my son, and my hair is coming back in, and I don't really want to do anything to make it come back out. If that makes sense, short and simple. The back of the wig is already making me feel some kind of way. But let's just put it on. We might be pleasantly surprised. Let's just put it on. And I did the straps kind of tight. Oh my God, I cannot. Okay, let's just get in formation, honey. So let's just get it in position, and then we can play around with styling it. I hope that you guys can see me, because I haven't recorded in so long. I'm lost. And I haven't recorded in a while. I haven't, because it's just been life happening, and I've just been trying to adjust, to be completely honest. But this unit, I love the curly top. The back, not so much, but I would probably wear this somewhere. Do you guys like my backdrop? Because I'm loving it. Alright, anyway, so I have a mirror over here, so you're going to see me looking to my left. You kind of got these flaps that go over the ear. Me personally, I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is take my scissors, and I'm just going to shape around my ear. I'm going to show you on this side because it's going to be harder for me to show you on my left side. So as you can see, we got this thing going. Not cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just kind of, let's do a little at a time. You don't need to go crazy. Over the ear. And I'm not a hairstylist, so all you hairstylists out there, I don't want to hear nothing. Because really all that matters is the end result anyway. If If it looks cute, it don't matter how I got there, I'm there. So let's just see if I can get there. Alright, so let's just do a little cuttage. This is funny. We're gonna just, I want to get the hair up and stuff. Cause you ever see people get their shortcuts and they just look so cute and it's so curly. Well, that's kind of what I'm going for with this look. So now what you want to do is just kind of play with the front and frame it. The same thing you see me do over here is the same thing I'm going to do over here. But it's just harder for me to show you because I'm recording sometimes. Things are just harder to do. So now I'm going to just play with the bang part because this is actually cute in the front. I do like it actually. But the little straggly pieces, you know, I'm just going to get rid of them. For the back, I really can't see the back, but right now I am definitely loving the front. But for the back, I really can't see it, but I find that if you just take the comb and you maybe run it across in a few directions in the back, that kind of gives it an illusion of like wavy. My hairline in the back is kind of, it comes down, so I'm hoping this is hiding it, but if it's not, just take some gel. If you find that yours is still showing, just take some gel and slick your hair up. Ooh, I should have got the one that had a little color in it, but this is fun. Like, if I was to go on a vacation, I would wear this. I could get in a pool with this, honey, and it ain't a thing. This is cute. Let me see what it would look like with a hat on. I love the way the curls just kind of do what they want and how they're easy to turn on how you want. I love it. Let me show you what this wig is giving with, okay, because I'm loving this with the hat off. If you can see any of my hair, I apologize. But anyway, yes, this is the unit. Now this is the unit with the hat. Ooh, yes, this is some good hat hair. Ooh, yes, I love this with the hat. This, oh my gosh, guys, I don't know which one I like better, but I can tell you I am loving this unit, and baby, I will be wearing this unit because I love it. Well, how do you guys like it? Do you like it with the hat or without the hat? I like it with the hat. Number one, it's a beginner friendly wig because it doesn't take much customization for you to get like a look like this. I think this unit would do good in color on me if I had a little highlight up in the front area. I thought I think that would be better, but I was a little nervous because I just was unsure about this wig. So I'm gonna order another one that has a little color in it, but I love this. It's friendly to all head sizes. It's beginner friendly. You don't have to do much to it. Mostly what I did was customize around the ears. I did cut a few of the curls that were just a little too long, but that's it. So this unit, I'm loving it, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer it with the hat on, or do you prefer it with the hat off? The thing about it is I do feel like it kind of adds a little age on you. Like I feel like it makes me look a little older, but with the hat on, honey, I just look like a single woman out looking for a good time. With the hat on, honey, you like, the guys are coming in. Okay, the guys are coming in because this is just cute like that. And so with that being said, I want to tell you that I do recommend this wig for you guys, and the link for this unit will be provided below. I do not remember how much I paid for this wig, so let me see. $17 for it, so very inexpensive. I try to find affordable units because I find that a lot of people kind of, you know, want to play around with different styles, and each time they do, they don't want to have to spend like $100 every time. Listen, we don't do it for the guys, we do it for ourselves, but I know if I wear this out, the dog's gonna bark. The dog's gonna bark. Alright, so let me go, guys. I'll see you in my next video. In my next video, you're gonna see me with this shirt on. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Okay, let's focus on the content of the hair. I'll see you guys later. Bye.